is about to land at Kuwait International Airport. Kuwait City is known for some iconic structures like the elegant Kuwait Towers, from which you get a bird's eye view of the entire city. The majestic Grand Mosque, the largest in Kuwait, and the Al Hashimi II, the largest dhow in the world. But today we shall focus on the Al Siddiqa Fatem Al Jahra Mosque, popularly known as the Taj Mahal of Kuwait. It is a jewel in the desert which you can even see from the aircraft. Fatima Mosque is situated in the Abdullah Al Mubarak Al Sabah neighborhood, not very far from Kuwait International Airport. The idea to build this Shia mosque was conceived by Mr. Hassan Jauhar, a Kuwaiti parliamentarian. There is no prize for guessing that this mosque is inspired by the original Taj Mahal at Agra, the legendary 17th century mausoleum built by Emperor Shah Jahan in loving memory of his queen Mumtaz Mahal, whose untimely death had left him completely shattered. Its construction started in 2008 and it was inaugurated for the public in 2011. The 4 minarets and central dome are adorned with brass crescents. The marbles for this mosque were imported from Iran. Artisans from Kuwait, India and Iran worked together to create this masterpiece. While the exterior of this monument is strikingly similar to the Taj Mahal, its internal design and setting is completely different, as it is a mosque and not a mausoleum. We are now in the main prayer hall, which is adorned with an imposing central dome, a key feature of both mosque and mausoleum. You can see on the walls the carvings of verses from the Holy Quran. Here is a glimpse of the first floor, which has a separate prayer hall for the women. About 4,000 people, both men and women, can pray here at a time. This mosque is centrally air conditioned. As you can see, it is fitted with wall-to-wall carpet for the comfort of the devotees. This mosque also has library and meeting rooms. It has been built on an area of 3,136 square meters. The original Taj Mahal is said to be 3 to 4 times bigger than this mosque. This is the Qibla wall with mihrab on it, which indicates the direction of the Kaaba in Mecca. One of the defining features of Taj Mahal is its unfailing symmetry. To their credit, the builders of this mosque have done very well in replicating the symmetry and the balance of the Taj Mahal. For those in Kuwait who are desirous of visiting the original Taj Mahal in India, this replica mosque is a very good curtain raiser. About 800,000 Indian expatriates live, work and peacefully coexist in Kuwait. For them, as well as for the Kuwaitis, this monument is a great symbol of friendship and cultural connect between India and Kuwait. Although this mosque is a new addition to Kuwait's landscape, it is swiftly acquiring the status of a major attraction.